big product development company having multiple teams collaborating on product development, be it engineering, manufacturing, operations, supply chain, marketing, and so on. They all need to collaborate in a single place with the need to connect people, data, and processes, right? Enovia as a PLM platform obviously contains the core PDM capabilities like document management, multi-CAD data management, host of impressive enterprise visualization capabilities, and also enables downstream stakeholders like your suppliers and vendors to collaborate with you inside the platform. But apart from this robust set of capabilities, it also contains some advanced project management capabilities, program and portfolio management capabilities, and also enables you to drive your product development processes in a much more agile fashion. Enovia is like a digital hub where everyone can work on the same project, see the latest updates, and make sure that everything fits perfectly. In short, Enovia is your company's secret weapon to deliver amazing products. It brings all the stakeholders together on the same page and turns your ideas into great innovations.